Somebody comes at you, they got some whack ass vocals, and they say, "Hey, I need that shit auto tuned," and you say, "Man, your shit's pretty whack. I don't know if I can tune that up." Well, I'm gonna show you how you can confidently tune that shit up every single time without feeling like you're not gonna be able to. You're gonna need a DAW. You're gonna need Waves Tune. You're gonna need Waves Tune Real Time, and you're gonna need Keyfinder. Okay, so now with that being said, if you got all those things and you're ready to learn how to take trash off-key vocals and make them sound on key and like auto-tune the fuck out, then let's go. So here I got this little sample I recorded. So it sounds like this with no effects. This is just raw how I recorded it. Horrible, right? Okay, so this is how you fix it. In Pro Tools, you would select your audio file, and it's going to select it up here in the clips window. Then you're going to right click on the audio file, and you're going to say reveal and explore. In this case, it's audio 1_16. Then you're going to open Keyfinder. Here's Keyfinder. 116, boom, 116. Throw it in there. Run the batch analysis. Here we go. G flat minor. Okay, so G flat minor. You're gonna want to remember what Keyfinder says that your stuff is in. So G flat minor. And we're gonna go and put the Waves Tune Real Time on here. And we're gonna throw it in to G flat natural minor. Then you're gonna want to put these note transition and the speed all the way down. Then hear what it sounds like. There's gonna be, so what we're looking for is those parts. If you've ever done auto tune before, there's gonna be parts where it's not exactly like fluid. It warbles a little bit. It has a little bit of a wobble to it. And so what I'm gonna show you is how to even take that away from it. You're gonna play it with the Waves Real Tune. Okay, sometimes you'll get lucky and that first time through it won't be too wobbly, but if you've seen on a couple of the spots, it was a little wobbly. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go over here to the audio suite and we're gonna go into our pitch shift and pull up that Waves Tune LT. So when you got Waves Tune LT pulled up, go ahead and press the preview button, and that's gonna load your audio file into the little window. But before you press that preview button, make sure you set, in this little part right here, you set it to what it was. So in my scenario it was G flat minor, but that's also the same as F sharp minor. So we'll do that. F sharp natural minor. And then preview. Alright, you hear it. It still sounds like shit, but I'm gonna show you how to fix that. So go ahead, when you have it up into Waves Real Tune or Waves Tune LT, then select all of it. If you don't have anything selected, when you go to pull these knobs down here, nothing's gonna happen. So select all of it. Make the note transition 0. Make the speed 0. Now this is just to start out. Once you have it dialed in, you can back those off a little bit and get some more of the realism back in the vocal. But just to start it out, we're gonna put those to 0. Then you're gonna preview it. These little notes right here, these are what's causing the flutter. So we're gonna just bring these right here, bring these right here. Even though they might be musical to the vocal, it's this, I mean, if you're looking for this effect, this is what it is. This right here, I mean, you know, I was a little bit off. Maybe I'll just put it right there. This is a customer. I don't know. Let's hear what it sounds like. Not bad. Okay, so then we're just gonna render it out. So when you render out something right here from the audio suite, it actually renders it to the clip, and that's gonna happen before any processing that takes place over here. Now we're gonna play it with this auto tune on it and see what it sounds like. I mean, it's not perfect, but you could obviously see the power of the process. Throw a little bit of reverb on there, you throw a little bit of delay on there, and then you might have yourself a hot effect. So if this works, you got to see my first little tutorial on production and music. Deuces. Don't forget to subscribe to my page. Peace out.